Hello friends, I am Dr. Urja Patel from LJ Institutes of Applied Science. In the last video we have discussing the question answer of Unit 4 of Chemistry 201. In this video we are discussing another new question according to syllabus of Gujarat University. First question is arrange the following in the ascending order of their basicity. First compound is methane, ammonia, water and hydrogen fluoride. A proton is an acid, means proton means H plus because it is electron deficient and it need an electron pair to complete its valence shell, in which hydroxide, ammonia and water are known as a bases because they contain electron pair available for the sharing. To be the acidic in the Lorry-Bronsted sense, a molecule must contain hydrogen. The degree of acidity is determined largely by the kind of atom that hold the hydrogen and in particular by that atom's ability to accommodate electron pair left behind by the departing hydrogen ion. And this ability to accommodate the electron pair seems to be depend upon several factors, including the first factor is the atom electronegativity size. Thus, within a given row of the periodic table, acidity increases as the electron negativity increases, in which you can find that methane has a less basicity compared to hydrogen fluoride because it have no electron pair on its carbon atom. Second question is formic acid is a stronger acid than acetic acid. Explain. In which any factor that stabilize the anion should increase the acidity. Any factor that make the anion less stable should decrease the acidity. Here you can see that in acetic acid there is a methyl group is attached with which is electron releasing substituent are present in acetic acid, and this methyl group decrease the polarity of the hydroxy bond. So the formic acid has a no electron releasing substituent. So formic acid is stronger acid with dissociation constant value is 17.7 than acetic acid, and acetic acid has a dissociation constant is 1.75, and due to the presence of electron releasing group in acetic acid it is not stronger than formic acid because electron donating substituent destabilize the generating anion. Third question is discuss the keto-enol tautomerism, in which there are two forms of tautomeric equilibrium are shown in as a and B. The form A contain a keto group and it is called as a keto form, and the form B which contain the functional group are shown in the figure is called the enol form. Enol contain the two functional group. First is in means there is a presence of double bond, and all means it is a presence of alcohol. So combined word is a enol. And this particular type of tautomerism which involve a dynamic equilibrium between keto form and enol form of a compound is termed as a keto-enol tautomerism. Here we take the example of ethyl acetoacetate, and in which you can see that the keto and enol form are in an equilibrium state. Here the scientists together suggested that the keto structure, while Franklin and Dupa scientists independently proposed the enol structure of ethyl acetoacetate. The presence of enol and ketoform in ethyl acetoacetate was supported by a sets of reaction are shown below. First reaction is ethyl acetoacetate react with the sodium to form its corresponding sodium salts. Second reaction is ethyl acetoacetate react with the phosphorus pentachloride to give the ethyl beta chlorocrotonate. Third is ethyl acetoacetate reaction with the ethanolic solution of bromine. It discharges the brown color of bromine rapidly, and this indicates the presence of unsaturation, means there is a presence of double bond. And fourth reaction is ethyl acetoacetate gives the reddish violet coloration when addition of little amount of ferric chloride. And last reaction, it react with the acetyl chloride to give the acetyl derivative. And this acetyl derivative reaction are shown in the slide. Second is the presence of ketoform in ethyl acetoacetate was supported by a below reaction. The presence of ketonic carbonyl group in ethyl acetoacetate is indicated at it react with the first sodium bisulfite solution to form a crystalline bisulfite compound. Second reaction is a hydrogen cyanide. Ethyl acetoacetate react with the hydrogen cyanide to form a cyanohydrine. A third reaction is ethyl acetoacetate react with the hydroxylamine to form an oxime. And fourth reaction is this ethyl acetoacetate react with the phenylhydrazine to form a phenyl hydroxyphenylhydrazine. And second reaction is ethyl acetoacetate reduced with the sodium amalgam, and it produces a secondary alcohol group which must have been obtained due to the only reduction of a keto group. The another scientist nor further show that either keto or enol form separated by him. Each form pass into the same equilibrium mixture of tautomers, giving a ordinary ethyl acetoacetate. The scientist K.H. Mayer also confirmed that the finding of Noor about the keto-enol tautomerism in ethyl acetoacetate. It may be noted that the interconversion of keto and enol form of ethyl acetoacetate is greatly catalyzed by acids and bases even in a very small amount. Thank you.